Well, hey everybody, just want to tell you about, I started this thing called Buy Me a Coffee. Well, I don't drink coffee, so just if you want to help me out, go in there and buy me a beer. Well, I put on this wish list for some night vision goggles, and I put on there $250 because the ones I were looking at were $228. I figured by tax time it'd be close to $250. But I got to looking on Amazon and I found some cheaper, and the ones that I ordered had a bigger screen. Most of the screens on them were 2.5 inches. This one was 3 inches, which is better for me because I can't see with the darn anyway. But anyway, people were supposed to donate. I figured people were going to donate, $5 or $10 or something like that, But there were two people that came through for me, and unbelievable friends of mine. Ladies first, Ken. Sharon Von Dorthiler. Sharon, I hope I say your name right. Sharon from Belgium. Everybody knows Sharon from Belgium. Very nice lady. And then Ken Creel, which is Flat Rock Booger. Them two people came through for me to give me enough money to order my night vision goggles. But when I went to withdraw the money, I noticed that they took out a one-time fee of $20. $20. So anyway, they left me with $230. So when I filled out this, they had to process the $250 payment, which took 7 days to process that, and then to send it to my bank took 3 days, and then it took 3 days when I ordered this for it to get here. And this is it. I'm gonna try to get where there's no glare on it. Yeah, right there. This is it. My night vision goggles. And they're a little bit smaller than I thought, but that's all right because they fit my backpack better. I'm gonna open them up right now and show you what I got. I'm like a baby in a Christmas morning. Yeah, here they are. And this is supposed to be the 3-inch screen. And this takes pictures and video. And one thing about it, it can take video during the daytime. And it has a distance of 972 feet, I think. It came with its own SD card. Like I said, it goes videos and you can take pictures with this thing. And it doesn't have batteries. It's got a little charging station right there, plus the SD card goes in there, which that's pretty good, which I think I like them. And later on when it gets dark outside, I'm gonna go take some video and I'll put it on here too so you can see the video of how good it looks. But with the money I saved from buying that, I don't know, a few months ago I put out a video that somebody stole all my trail cams. So with extra money, I want Flat Rock and Sharon to know that I didn't waste any of their money. I went and bought one new trail cam. And I buy the cheapest ones. These were $32. I buy the cheapest ones just in case they're stolen. And I'm not out, $100 or so. And these take pretty good video. So it takes like 8 AAA or AA batteries. So, but that's what I got. Keep watching the video. I'll put some night vision video on there when it gets dark outside. I'm down my driveway right now. I'm fixing to go to the store. So stay tuned. I'll put some night vision goggles on there. Night vision video on here in just a minute after this. And thanks again to Sharon from Belgium and Ken Creel, Flat Rock Booger. Y'all are great. Y'all didn't have to do this. Love y'all both.